How can I stop pubic hair itch naturally?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss an issue that many of us face but rarely talk about openly: pubic hair itch. It's perfectly normal, and there are plenty of natural remedies that can help alleviate the discomfort. We're going to cover these methods step by step, so you can find relief from pubic hair itch naturally.
Why does pubic hair itch?
Before we jump into solutions, it's important to understand why pubic hair can sometimes cause itching. It's usually due to one of three things: growing hair after shaving, dry skin, or irritation from clothing. However, sometimes it might be a sign of an infection or an underlying health condition. If your itch is persistent or accompanied by other symptoms like redness, swelling, or discharge, it's important to see a healthcare professional.
What can I do to naturally stop pubic hair itch?
Here are some natural methods to soothe pubic hair itch. 1. Good hygiene. Regularly clean the area with warm water and a mild, fragrance-free soap. Avoid harsh soaps or body washes that can dry out your skin and increase itchiness. 2. Moisturize. Use a natural moisturizer like coconut oil, aloe vera, or jojoba oil. These can soothe the skin and reduce dryness and irritation. 3. Loose clothing. Tight clothing can cause friction and irritate the area. Choose loose, breathable fabrics like cotton to keep the area cool and prevent irritation. 4. Cold compress. Apply a cold compress to the area for immediate relief. This can help reduce inflammation and itching.
What should I avoid to prevent pubic hair itch?
In addition to these steps, it's also important to know what to avoid. 1. Avoid shaving. If possible, avoid shaving or waxing the area, as this can cause the hair to grow back thicker and more itchy. If you must, use a clean, sharp razor and shave in the direction of hair growth. 2. Avoid scratching. Scratching can lead to more irritation and even cause infections. If the itch is unbearable, try patting or pressing the area instead. 3. Avoid irritants. Certain products, like douches or scented soaps, can cause irritation. Stick to gentle, unscented products for your personal hygiene. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. These tips should help most people find relief, but if you're still experiencing discomfort, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. Thanks for joining us today. Here's to finding relief and feeling better, naturally.